How to fix Snapchat has stopped on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat has stopped on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here just type Snapchat and then click on it. Now click storage and then click clear cache, and after that just click force stop. And now just click permissions, allow all of those permissions here, and now just go back and close all the applications in the background, and after that just click battery and disable power saving mode, disable it, and then just restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And see you in the next video.